Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy Extra. This is no longer BoxyCharm, it is Ipsy just like it says. Let's get into it, see what I got, what I chose, what they put in there for me, all the things. So in all of the new name changes, this became the Ipsy Extra. It used to be our BoxyCharm box, which is the mid-grade, middle of the line with Ipsy, and now we are calling it the Ipsy Extra. It is all full-sized products. This is what it looks like when you open it up. We have some paperwork. It will not tell you about your goodies on the inside. And then those are my goodies. I think I might have done some add-ons in the sale with the Ipsy Extra, the 5 products that you have. You will have chosen 3 of them from selections options that they gave you. They usually give you 6 or 7 options. You pick the one that is best for you. They choose 2 of your products. Okay, let's see what's in here. I have gone through the box. I have the things that they chose for me, the things that I chose for me. I also did the boost. That is a $15 boost. The product is usually worth way more than that. I have always been super happy with the products. You can also go in, they assign you one, but you can go in easily and change it to something else. And I did 2 add-ons this season. I just must have felt the move, and I think it's hilarious because if I've posted it first, which I probably will, in my Ipsy original, I had this. Luckily, it is a different color. This is raspberry. This is the Tarte Maracuja Glossy Lip Balm. That one I had in rose. This one is raspberry. Yes, it is a darker color than the other one. Neither one of them is super dark, but they are super cute, perfect for in your purse. I just thought that these were perfect. My lips, I have been fighting my lips because I had a little bit of cold. You know, when you're fighting a cold, you're breathing through your mouth, you're doing all the things. You wipe your nose, whatever, and around your lips. I was in the mood for all the balms I could get. Also, as an add-on, I did the whole body deodorant from First Aid Beauty because I looked it up and it didn't have licorice root in it. And I was like, oh my goodness, something from First Aid Beauty that doesn't have licorice root in it. I have been working out, trying to do a much healthier lifestyle. We're going to talk about that a lot after the first of the year, but I'm trying to do a much healthier lifestyle. I am working out like crazy. And I thought, you know, a whole body deodorant could be very useful. You could put it under your bosoms, or there are many places that you wouldn't put regular deodorant. I thought I might like to try the First Aid Beauty one, so I added that. Those add-ons I think were $3.50 each. So they are super good prices. Okay, now what they chose for me. First out, they chose the brushes. I didn't choose the brushes. I know, it looks sus because I'm usually the one that chooses the brushes, but no, it was them. And these are fairy. You know how you know they chose them? They're dual-ended. As a rule, I'm not a huge fan of a dual-ended brush because I stand them up in a cup right where I sit and do my makeup. And with dual-ended brushes, you can't really do that or you're ruining one of the ends. What you have to do then with your dual-ended brush is lay them down. So if I have one, and they do come up periodically, that I really like, I put it in with my makeup. I just lay it in my drawer that has my makeup in it. These are interesting sizes. What do they say? Blush and highlight. I would wholeheartedly agree with the size and the shape of those. They would be great. That's the highlight and that's the blush. I like the purple of them. And then this is 2 eyes. We have, what do they call it? I would say blender. Shade and blend, yes. So this is what they're calling shade. This is what they're calling blend. This is what I use 79.8% of the time when I'm doing my eyes for all the colors. I use these thin ones mostly just to do the inside corners when I add the shiny. I use them for that because you can pack it on easier with that. Almost everything else I blend in because I, generally speaking, do a really subtle eye. I don't do a lot, and I find that I can blend out much better with a blender. Go figure. So this is what they chose for me. They say they have a $34 value, and it says they are cruelty-free, vegan, meet 2 essential tools for streamlined like the expert makeup application. The shade and blend brush glides color on and blends with ease. I used the wrong one. while the blush and highlight brush is perfect for layering a flush and a glow. Both feature soft vegan bristles for smooth, seamless application. So that's the first thing they chose for me. Next, they chose for me from Realher the You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. When I tell you that the purple on this, I think it's coming across. It's looking like it up there. So the purple of this is to die for. I can see on the back that it says certified cruelty-free and it's paraben-free. Is it mica or talc? It is mica, not talc. So we love that. Let's get in here and check out the colors. This has a $36 value. So this is a $30 box. So either of my first two products, they say, cover the cost of the box. I would not spend $34 on these two brushes, but that is what they say the value is. This is plastic. It feels kind of like one of the smaller Huda ones that comes in this same plastic, but it is bigger. And of course it's not eyes. When we open it up, ooh, very pretty. Very warm. Ooh, I am not going to swatch these. This pink, is that the one? Yes. This one over here, that one right there, leans a little pink, and I could use that one, but as a rule, I don't think that I would use the rest. Let's read about it and see what it says. This 6-pan palette delivers buildable, blendable color payoff with shades that flatter every mood and moment. The fine powders layer beautifully for natural dimension and long-lasting wear with a soft, radiant glow. I'm going to close this back up and pass that along. I will put a link for Ipsy down below. I am not in any way affiliated with Ipsy. I just get it because I like it. But I will put a link down below to help you guys get over there if you want. This is Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Bronzer. I have the Drunk Elephant one of these and I like it very much, but I have also always liked Bare Minerals, so I thought I might like to give this a try. It is a Kiss of Pink. I will tell you that Kiss of Pink, that is a very bronze looking color, but we're gonna give it a try. It says it has a $28 value and it says part blush, part bronzer. That is what it looks like. This skin-loving hybrid will leave you sun-kissed and effortlessly glowy. It helps to smooth out the look of skin imperfections while building radiant, blendable color in a flash. The creamy gel cream formula is loved for its ability to leave your skin looking naturally luminous all day. Well, let's see how the color does, at least on the back of my hand. Like I've always said, one of the beauties of me trying things like this is I have myself, my daughter, and 2 granddaughters that are old enough to wear makeup. Wow, it seems dark. And if the color doesn't work well for me, it generally works for one of them. Generally speaking, the 4 of us all have different skin tones, which is fairly amazing. Oh yeah, that's not pink. That is Kiss of Warmth, Kiss of Rust. On me, it is not even. I mean, we can continue to blend it out, but it doesn't pink up. It stays very warm. So yes, I will pass this along for one of my girls to try. My daughter might like it. Her skin, although it's in the winter not a lot darker than mine, she has a more olive undertone. And I think that's really just what this needs, is somebody that doesn't need cool tones, but warm tones. Sorry, I'm trying to get out a little thingy to clean off the back of my hand. Not even about me. It on white, I don't know if you guys can tell, it even looks kind of bronzer color on, sorry, I'm losing my voice again. It even looks kind of bronzer color on me. So not perfect for my skin tone, but it did feel very nice. Okay, next out we have the Misco dual-ended eyeshadow stick. Misco Beauty. That is what it looks like. Ooh, the Gift Shimmer or the Gift Matte. Interesting. So this has a $21 value. And this is the shimmer side, and it is light and pink. That is what it looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. I like that a lot. And the other side is the dark, which they said was a matte. Oh man, these are very nice colors. If I can manage to make that work, that'll be fantastic. That is the Misco Beauty dual-ended eyeshadow stick. I like those colors a lot. I have a brush that I just recently got that I think will blend them out. Wish I had it up here. That you could blend out the dark and the light. Oh wow, those became, they dried down really quickly. You're going to want to work with those quickly, but I like that because if it's on your eyebrow, you need it to dry down really quickly. And last for my choices is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty in Radiant 12B Fair Beige. They chose the color for me. You don't get to choose the color. They offer you this and they offer you a color. This is the color. And I said, yeah, I think that'll work. So let's see if they guessed right and then I agreed right. And if I didn't tell you, this has a $21 value. Okay, the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant. Uh-oh, that might mean it has glow, and I don't love glow under my eyes. It's okay. I generally just mat it down then with powder afterwards, but I tend to make my own glow under my eyes. This is a $32 value, and it says this cult favorite concealer delivers feather light, medium coverage that brightens and hydrates while still letting your skin and freckles shine through. With hyaluronic acid for a moisture boost, this creamy formula blends seamlessly, resists creasing, and leaves you with a fresh, natural glow. Ooh, that is a big old doe foot. Love the way that looks. Color looks like it's going to be great for my skin. It can either just be for my face, like as a concealer, like if you have a red bump to cover up, or under my eyes. Let's see. Oh, I think this is an under my eye one. That's very light. I like that a lot. It goes on a little thick. You're going to have to tap that out. Tap, 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 tap. But yeah, it's blending out really nicely. I tried Shape Tape way back in the day when it first came out, and I found it to sit a little too heavy on my under eye. This feels like it has more moisture to it. Maybe the hydrating part, because I feel like that blended out really nicely. I don't feel like that's crepey or gonna accentuate. I had a makeup person, like used to go to the mall all the time and deal with makeup people. I had a girl that I liked a lot once tell me, you have two choices. You can live with your under eye circles, your dark circles under your eyes. You can live with the darkness, or you can live with the crinkles that using a concealer gives you. Because she said the odds that you're going to get concealer under your eyes and get it tapped out and that it's not going to crease as the day goes on. So you're either going to have your dark circles to live with, or you're going to emphasize your wrinkles just a little bit. You get to make the decision. I always had such bad dark circles that doing away with the dark circles was always my choice, because I don't really have, even now for my age, I don't have a lot of under eye wrinkles. I mean, that's just not my problem. As you can tell, my issue is the dark circles. Still, even at the big number that I recently turned. So we won't talk about that anymore. The last we have is the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Moonlight. This was my boost. They actually chose something else for me, as I recall, and I changed it to this. So it has a $68 value, and it's $15 to add a boost to your box. So you saved $53 on this. That is what it looks like. It's, again, a nice hard plastic. And when we, ooh, oh wow, that's pretty. And even the browns are kind of cool. I like that a lot. That is a very kind of icy, wintry. It's very hard to show with all of that reflection. Is that better? Oh, it's tough. Let me swatch a few of these because these look fantastic. Actually, first, let me tell you what it says. Meet your lid's newest glow up. This eyeshadow palette features silky mattes, radiant shimmers, and pearly toppers to give your eyes a moonlight head-turning glow. Wear the shades alone or blend them together to level up the whimsy and watch the magic happen. Okay, well, this is a blue, and oh my goodness, look at the color payoff on that. I do love a blue. I just love a blue. Let's see what this white topper does. Oh my gosh. Can you guys just see? I mean, I barely touched that. This kind of looks like it's brown, but has a blue in it. It's kind of a bronzy. These, I am barely touching these. Let's do, I was gonna say, let's do a matte, but that blue is a matte. Wow, the color payoff on these. And I love that it has the skin tone color, so I can work just out of this palette. I will use that as a skin tone, probably that in my crease, maybe this in the crease, and then work all of the rest in. Love this. That is so creamy and nice. Oh my gosh. I'd say that one's a topper that you could just press in the gold. Oh my goodness, those are gorgeous. Let's see how they swipe, although swiping with this versus actual application. Oh wow, very nice. Oh my goodness. Doesn't really count because doing it on your finger is not the same as doing it with a brush. First of all, let's look at that blue. That matte, usually when you do that with a matte, speaking from a lot of years of experience of swatching these things, it tapers out about here and you end up with just like a light pull. The pigment and color payoff for that matte is amazing. And then that's gorgeous. Yes. I cannot wait to play with this. That was a good choice. Okay, that was my Ipsy Extra. It wasn't just extra because I did add-ons, which I did. I did a whole body deodorant and a Maracuja lip gloss balm, $3.50 each. I like those very much. And I do the boost, which added an extra $15. So all of those things, this Mario eyeshadow palette and these two add-ons that I did, both added to the cost of my box, but they were absolute choices. You may do them, you do not have to do them. What the actual box entails is 5 full-size products, 2 they choose for you, and they chose for me the dual-sided brushes and the Realher blush palette. These are the 2 items they chose for me. And then I chose the Bare Minerals bronzer, which we now know isn't the perfect color for me. The Misco eyeshadows they're 2 great colors, and those dried down and those did really great. I can't wait to play with those. And the Tarte, oh, it says America's #1 concealer brand, medium buildable coverage. It is the Tarte Shape Tape in Radiant Concealer. That's a great box. See, this is why I always say I will put the information down below for you to take you over to Ipsy if you'd like to go over and check it out. But I am in no way sponsored by Ipsy. They do not send me any products. It's just me. I like the brand. I like the products. So I purchase them. They are part of what I do. I have done Ipsy since the beginning of the channel, which was September of 2018. I had done it for a couple of months before that and then decided with my Ipsy original, used to call it the glam bag, that was my first video. So it's just one that I choose and I like. Thank you guys so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here and see what I've got. This was a good one, I think. Let me know below what you think. But December, I think they did really well. I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys.